Hello everyone and welcome back to lindasartsystudio. Today I'm going to use this mold and make some with UV resin. I will make the raindrop effect on this mold. I have never tried this, so this is my first attempt to do this, and I thought it would be fun to try this out. And I will definitely do this again. It's fun because you can do so much different dots, and I will try out some other techniques that's the same thing, but I will do it in a different way. So if you do like this and you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell button so you can get a reminder when I do post my new videos. And please don't forget also to give my videos a thumbs up. That makes YouTube know that you like my content, and people that may like this kind of stuff can find my videos. So there you will see me adding my UV lamp, and here I'm just using a toothpick to see if the UV resin is cured, which it is. And I'm adding some more drops. Here you see me adding my UV lamp again, and here I'm just showing you a closer dot. I don't know why I did this, but I did. I was just wanted to show you a closer time. Now all my dots are dried, and I will use my Lrisy fine glitter. It's holographic, and I love their glitters. I am affiliated to them, so I'm not just saying that because I am. I really do like them, and I will share my link so you can get some discount, and that also sponsor me to get some new glitters. So please check it out, and I will leave all of my other discount codes and discount links in the description box below, and also everything I've used in the description box below. So please check everything out. I don't really remember what I got the mold from, but if I find it, I promise I will share it to you. And now it's time to add some mica powder blue around the edges. As you can see here, I just wanted some blue. That would be nice. So here I'm just taking my brush and just brush it on to the mold. And now it's time to add my final layer with resin. And here you see me, I've already mixed my resin with some black. I will show you the bottle. Just wait a minute. Here is the bottle, mica powder, black pearl. And I will also leave that in the description box below. Here you just see me pouring the black resin into the mold. You can do so many things with this mold. You can do it, you can put in some screws and hang it up on the wall. You can have it just standing. Just use your imagination when you're doing this. You can do so much with this mold. In this case, I think I will just use it as it is and have it standing. And now it's time for me to demold it. It has been 24 hours later, so now it's time to take it out of the mold. It's a little bit hard to take this out because it has many little crevices, but be careful and you will get it out. Just not ruin the mold, of course. And I think it is a wow for me for being the first time I'm doing this raindrop effect. It's stunning and the video is not doing its justice. I really do like it. And for the edges, I always use a nail file to just trim the sharp edges down a little bit. I will not do it in this video because it would be too long if I did. But I have had some questions about it, and that's what I do. And now it's almost, now we reached the end of the video. So I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I am hoping that you're having a great day and week, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.